Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called How I Feel by Michael Gordon, illustrated by Max Lauren. I feel lots of emotions at different times each day, Billy said aloud as he got ready to play. Let me tell you about all the emotions I've ever had. Here's the first one. Telling you about it makes me feel glad. Happiness, that's my favorite. It warms me up inside. When my dad bought me a puppy, I felt so happy that I cried. People sometimes feel happiness in different ways, he said with a smile. I feel it all over my body, and it lasts for quite a while. Sadness is my least favorite. I don't like to feel sad. I always feel that when I say goodbye to my dad, and he goes away for business. But my mom will always say he will be back soon. It's okay to feel sad. It will go away. Frustration is another. Sometimes I feel that when I'm trying to finish a puzzle that's very hard to do. That looks very easy, actually. Like so. This one, those go together. We don't need it. Yeah, those go together, and then that one goes there. Okay, I want to give up, but I find a way to deal with those things. I breathe deeply, and then I exhale slowly, and enjoy the calm it brings. Scared is what I felt on the first day of school, Billy said. I had butterflies in my tummy, and it was so full of dread. Then my mom told me that talking to help deal with your fear. School turned out to be much more fun than the fear disappeared. That actually rhymes. That the fear disappeared. Fear disappeared. Fear disappeared. Billy continued. I feel tired when I have been at school all day. Tiredness makes me so moody that I don't even want to play. My mom makes me a snack, then I sit quietly and rest. Moms always know what to do to get you feeling your best. I got so excited on my birthday that I yelled and jumped about, and I felt I might burst with excitement. Mom said if I wear myself out, but I didn't fade. In fact, my excitement made my energy stay. Billy pulled a funny face and said, "This is what my face looks like all day." On the first day of my school, Mom said, "Get ready to pack your bag too." I had never done it on my own, Billy said. So didn't know what to do. I asked my mom for some help, and she told me what I needed to know. She showed me one task at a time, and soon I was ready to go. Sometimes I get worried, Billy said. Like when I'm alone in my room, I imagine that monsters are hiding all over, and my head fills with doom. I tell my dad how I'm feeling. Then we hunt for them, but find none. He tucks me into bed and tells me I'm safe. Then my worry is gone. One morning I woke up to see a balloon above my head. I then found lots of colorful balloons all around my bed. I was so surprised they made me feel like the luckiest boy. I felt grateful for that wonderful treat. It filled me with joy. Sometimes when I get what I want but can't have it, I feel really mad. My chest gets tight. My hands become fists. Inside, I feel really bad. My breath gets fast. Then I snort. Then I tell my mom or dad how I feel. I let out my breath like a steam engine hiss, and things don't feel like a big deal. The end. Here's some feelings that you can feel every day. Happy, sad, tired, surprised, scared, excited, worried, and confused. Match the feeling. Maybe you can take a picture of this. Like if you're watching this on a phone, you can take a screenshot and then print this. Yeah. And maybe you can cut out one picture right here and then another right there. Okay? Here's another one you can take a picture with. Here's something you can color with if you take a picture. And here's another one you can use to color with. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!